Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap University CDP Local and Long Distance Movers. Near me. We can help you relocate locally within the state or across state lines. We have an excellent relationship with the local and federal authorities in charge of the relocation process. Apart from these, we also have insurance policies to secure our customers during and after the move. Our team consists of the most hardworking and reliable drivers. We boast of extremely professional movers who will deliver your properties to the required destination without damage. Our services are affordable, and we are always available to help you out. A local move costs less than a long-distance relocation. Our rates for these local moves are cheap, going for about $30 to $40 per hour. Our local movers are licensed and trained, making sure to provide quality service for your money. We can maneuver bustling areas and cities successfully. So, rest assured, knowing your belongings are safe. If you need to map out a moving strategy, you can reach out to us. Also, you can inquire for more proof of our excellent service from our previous clients. We can assure you that these reviews will be satisfactory. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our University CDP moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.